away. Check this out. Check this out. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah. We are. Fuck. That's weird. Oh, damn. You know, somewhat of an interesting video. Oops. Oh man. All right. All right. All right. I like this voice. Voice is pretty good. That up a little bit. Let's see. Right. Oh yeah, that looks good right there. Not bad. Not bad. What the? What the hell is that? Dude, why you got a mini me on the damn screen? What? Oh, that's I mean, that's kind of cool. Kind of cool. Or lame. I don't know. But damn, you get your own little mini me. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And you punch in the subscribe button. There you go. Pretty nice. All right. All right. All right. Test one, test two. Yeah, mic pretty good too. All right. All right. Hey, everybody. Bubba K here. Okay, Mara Bubbles. Yeah. Wow. All right. Well, try one more thing here. I see some. I'll move a little thing around. See what happens. Like that. Move that right there. Move it there. How's that sound? How about right there? That sound good? How about there? How about there? How about there? Now we'll go back up here, right there. Either there or there. One or the other. That was not too bad. Hey, everybody. Let me know, guys. One or two. One or two. One or two. All right, all right, all right, all right. All right. Not too bad. Dude, I'm trying to find your mic out, man. I'm trying to figure out the sound so everybody can hear you. And more importantly, so they can hear me. Because you know what? They're going to be here for me. They ain't going to be here for you. I seen your videos. You were born. All right. What time is it, man? What? What's time to crack that beer open, brother? Get that green. That's smoking. All right. Well, shoot. It's pretty interesting. Well, yeah, guys. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. You guys are here. Well, since you guys have been here watching, might as well hit that like button, subscribe button, hit that Bubba K button. Oh, yeah, make no Bubba K button yet? Come on, man. You know, well, maybe taking charge of this shit. I'll run it. All right. Well, shit. All right, man. If you want to go ahead and say something before I go, because I mean, we might as well just go ahead and post this video. Yeah. I mean, it ain't nothing special, but shit, somebody might like it. Hey, look at this. All right. Let's see. Oh yeah. All right. We can do that.
Yeah, man, I can. Let's see. Test this out. Test this out. Oh. All right. Let's see. Test one, test two, test one, test two. All right, I like that. Set this homemade mic stand. Oh, that's coming right. Not too bad. Hello, everybody. This is Chasko from Beyond the Scuttlebutt. Oh, yeah. And we have Bubba K. Yeah, dude, I introduced you. All right. Oh, hello. It's pretty good. I like this. I got a little bit more freedom of moving my head around and not worrying about losing sound. Nice. It's not a bad little home bed mic stand, bro. I like it. We could do that. But let's say what? 100 subscribers, 100 subscribers, then I will show you guys this homemade mic stand for less than $5. It works pretty good. And it's funny to look at. We run things on a budget. Yes, we do. Don't let the background fool you. Yeah, man, they know it's fake. Think I could afford that crap? Hell no. Oh, man. All right. Wow. Yeah. Test, 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 test. Hello. Hello. Mm-hmm. Soon may the weatherman come, bring us sugar and tea and gum. Once all the tugging is done, we'll take our leave and go. Hey, not too bad. Not too bad. I like that. I like it. All right. Oh yeah, you guys are here. Hey, you guys can just like, subscribe, comment. Tell me if you like this mic. Honestly, I'm kind of liking it, man. Bubba, you finally did something good. Damn, man. All right, it's like the third time you've done something good in your whole life. All right, dude. Chill. Oh, well, shoot. You know what? I got an idea. Hey, Bubba, I'll let you sign us off since you actually hit the button, got us going. But and you got the mic sounding pretty good. So yeah, you go ahead, man. You sign us off. Hey guys, I just want to say thank you. I'll see you next time. Yeah, dude. Go ahead, man.
Yeah, I could say some a little closer. Be my show, anyways. Oh, right. So, hey everybody, thank you for tuning in to the Bubba K Show. All right, beyond the scuttlebutt, but you know, Bubba K, the real star, ain't he? Comment down below. Tell me who you prefer, me or the other guy. Hey, I thought that was pretty funny, buddy. All right, so remember, like, subscribe, comment. Tell me how much you like the Bubba K. And we will see you next time when we have some actual material. But you know what, everybody, have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time. All right.
Yeah, I'll be right down as soon as I find my lighter. Oh, you guys are still here? Awesome. Well, thanks for tuning in to Beyond the Scuttlebutt. Really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, go ahead and smash that like button for me. You know, if you're new to the channel, you can always subscribe. Would appreciate that as well. And also go ahead, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Got any suggestions? I'm open to them. All right. Y'all have a good one. Always want to do this. Cue the music.